nandito ako sa fine dining namin ngayon. First lunch.
Yes.
And
Day
that's
1.
Day 1 lunch. That's the team who do the cooking.
Yes.
So, ito yung table setting namin. Kung saan napakasosyal. Tinanong
Nasa
kami
bundok
kanina
kami,
kung
ha?
anong meal. Sabi namin kailangan steak. Yes, T-bone steak. Medium rare. Yun yung mga in-order namin. Kasi doon kami social na yun yung usual namin kinakain. So yun yung in-order namin. Passion fruit. So, this jug here is a passion fruit
Juice.
juice.
Okay.
Tapos, yung dessert namin ay, yung,
You already know the menu?
sinabi na kasi kanina.
And this is the water we're supposed to drink. Yan. Fine dining. Water to drink.
Okay na.
Look at the fog. Grabe. Anong elevation tayo?
3,000.
This is 3,800 feet. Yay. Adrian, hi ka naman. Suplado much.
Sakit na ulo ko eh.
Ako shortness of breath lang. Yabang ko talaga. Buhatin niyo ako mamaya.
Sakit ang ulo ko.
Laters.